sell trees on Etsy, and I've made 6 figures in sales almost every year since around 2019 or 2020. And there's a lot of good things about Etsy. They rank you really good on Google. They do their own store so people can find you inside the store on Etsy. And it's super easy to list. It's super easy to put keywords in. And it's super easy to be seen on Etsy. But there's a lot of downfalls because Etsy charges a pretty good size commission each time that you make a sale. And as far as selling plants on Etsy goes, it's really not that bad of a place to sell them because basically you get to be the customer service for the people. When they ask a question, it comes straight to you. But I'm going to talk about getting away from Etsy and building your own community of people and collecting people's emails and get more of a personal basis with people instead of just being a store on Etsy. Although I do get repeat buyers on there, I would rather have more of a personal relationship with the people. Also is posting on Facebook. I sell a lot of trees off of Facebook, both through shipping and talking to people on Messenger, and then shipping them the trees or the cuttings or the seeds. But Facebook, you always got to keep posting on there so you can be seen, which is okay. I post a lot on there and I talk to a lot of people on Facebook, but it's not where I want to stay at. Also, eBay is another easy one. The prices are a little bit lower on eBay, but you do make sales. It seems like you got to sell things a little bit cheaper on eBay. But eBay's a pretty good spot. You could promote all your listings on eBay, and then they'll put you up at the top. And you could charge a little bit more because you're going to be right on the top. Amazon, now my dad and my sisters, they're all on Amazon and they're doing really well. But Amazon does the same thing. They charge a lot for you to be on their website, which they've got a lot of traffic there. But what I'm doing is I'm building a website, HardyPecanTrees.com, and it's just a monthly subscription that you got to pay to be on a website. Plus, you get to build a better customer base. It's more hands-on with the people, and that's what I want to do. I know it's more of a long-term type of goal, but yeah, if you guys want to follow me, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be talking about how to take your backyard garden and turn it into a 6-figure business, potentially. If you will, I don't know if you grow your own things from seeds or if you just outsource everything and then sell it online is what I do. But yeah, you can follow me and I want to help you guys grow. And then, you could help me by following me on my channel. All right, peace. God bless y'all, and I'll talk to you later.